Hi all, welcome back to our channel VGV Placement Pulse. So TCS has released a notification guys for BPS roles, and this is completely for freshers who will be passing in the coming year, which is 2025. So this is a great opportunity for you people because when you're in your final year itself, you can apply for this, and during your college you will be placing in your respective roles in which you want to settle your future. So coming to the exam dates and the registration end dates. So this registration will end up on 11 September 2024, that is Wednesday. So that is the last day for registering for BPS roles, and the test will be conducted on 11th October 2024, which is Friday. Okay, so this is for arts and commerce background students who will be passing, like you will be who will be completing your graduation in 2025, right? Okay, and also they have given the application process, what all you have to go through. So in step 1, what will be is that you have to log into TCS next step portal, and if you click on this link you will be redirected to that next step portal. So in this next step portal you will be registering, like registering is nothing but you will be giving your personal details and your educational qualification details and all, right? So all those you will be filling that data, then only, so that it will be helpful for you in further. If you want to apply for any other TCS job, then you need not to go through this process again and again, because once you have logged into TCS next step portal, it will be giving you a DT number, and with the help of that DT number you can directly log into TCS next step portal by giving the DT number, and you can apply for whichever role you are interested in. So that will be easy for you, right? So first step is that you have to log on to TCS next step portal, and then you will be filling the details in the application form, and it is mandatory to update date of birth as per Aadhaar card also. So you should go through these steps before registering. Okay, so first step is that you have to log into TCS next step portal, and the second step is that you have to give your name as per your Aadhaar card and date of birth also as per Aadhaar card. And also please ensure to check the details are updated correctly without any error before submission. So before submitting, so before saving your registration, like your details and all, just go through twice or thrice, because that will be saved and you might not be able to change or remodify your details. Okay, so incorrect details submitted may lead to disqualification of your candidature. So better when you're applying, see properly and give your details, mainly your educational details, also your GPAs or your college names and all, your cities, whatever it might be, every detail should be very clear and updated. And that is the second step. Coming to third step is that you will be registering for TCS BPS hiring process. So once you get into this portal, then it will be giving you two sides, which is IT and BPS here. So the process will be same, but the roles will be different for both the sections, right? So as they have given for BPS hiring now, so we will be choosing this BPS option. Okay, so that is what they have given in step 3. And if you are a registered user, kindly log in to proceed to complete the application form. Upon submission, click on apply for drive. So if you are a new register, you have to get your DT number via email ID. Okay, once you give your email ID and password, it will be generating a DT number. Along using that DT number, you should apply for the job. In case you already have your DT number, you can directly log into the portal using that DT number, and then you can directly click on apply for drive. So this is for registered users. So scenario B is that for new user who did not register in TCS next step portal. So then you will be clicking on PPS category, which I have showed you right now. So on this one, so you will be clicking on that category, and then you will be filling the details, and then you will be submitting your applications, and then click on apply for drive. So the process will be more if you are a new user. If you are already a registered user, then you can directly log in using a DT number and click on apply for drive. Next, step 4 is that select your mode of test. In center means you will be going to the center where they have been given, which center they will be giving you. So there you have to go and write your exam, and you have to choose your preferred test center and then click on apply. So you should prefer wisely, so that based on your choices only they will be giving you the final test center. Okay, so make sure for that. And please note, test center once chosen cannot be changed. Yeah, they are also given that. So once you have given the preferences for your test center, that cannot be changed. So make sure you have given the right test center which are very nearer to you. So the last step is that to confirm your status, check track your application, and once you click on track your application, it should reflect as applied for drive. So once it is given as applied for drive, then it is confirmed that you have registered for TCS BPS hiring role. Okay, so these are the 5 steps. We will be going through these in the coming video. So also they have given some important note. So this is an in center test, so you have to write in the center itself. It's not online, you cannot write at your own pace. And also they have given that kindly be informed that the allotment of seats in the respective centers will be on first come first serve basis. That means as soon as you register, so if you register till, like if you wait till the end date, so last date, and you will be registering for that, then you might not get the preferred test center as well. Okay, you will be, it will be a problematic for you. So what you does is that whenever, as soon as you get to know about the notification, apply as soon as possible, as they will choose the centers, as the seats will be allotted to the candidates based on first come and first serve basis. So next, you must have all your original documents as applicable. So they have mentioned some original documents that you have to carry, which are 10th mark list, 12th mark sheets, graduation mark sheets of all the semester till date. So mark sheets, if whatever mark sheets you have till date, if you have till second year or till first year, whatever it might be, till that, till date you have to carry your graduation mark sheets as well. And next, coming to communications related to the test will be shared with you by TCS Ion. And TCS does not send job offers or any hiring related communication from unofficial mail IDs like Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo. So ignore these type of mails that if you receive through particular mail IDs, that TCS will not send any job offers through these mail IDs, it seems. So make sure that you do not apply for any such mails that which you receive saying we are hiring from TCS and all. TCS does not ask candidates to deposit any money for job offers. So if any person or candidate asks to send some money so that you will be getting certain jobs and all, so that is also not encouraged by TCS. And the last one is that it is not associated with any external agency or company to conduct any interviews or make offers. So TCS itself will be conducting directly the interviews or exams, whatever it might be. No other external companies or agencies are being encouraged by TCS. Okay, so TCS itself will be hiring, so make sure be cautious in such things. So that's it guys, this is about what the steps they have given for registration and all. So we will be now seeing how to register for BPS hiring or IT, whatever it might be. The process will be same or similar. Okay, we can see. So if you are a registered user, you have to click on BPS, right? So first we will be clicking on BPS. So next, once we click on BPS, we have to give our verification email id. So once we give our email id here, then it will be sending you a notification, like sorry, it will be sending you a otp. So I have given my otp, guys, and then for further verification it will be asking your Aadhaar card number, your first name and date of birth. So everything has to be as per your Aadhaar card itself. Your name, your date of birth also should be as per your Aadhaar card details. So I will be giving my name. So once you have given your name and date of birth, so I will be choosing my date of birth as well. Once again, so click on I agree, and this privacy notice will be given for you. Click on agree and then click on proceed. Okay, and then it will be asking for your personal details. Give your mobile number and then your institute name, and then select your qualification for this, guys. So whatever they have given, and your year of passing also. Source type is nothing but from where did you get to know about this notification. So from your friend or from any website like TCS website, or any vendor or direct applicant. So I have taken from website itself, so I will be clicking the web and TCS portal and nearest TCS office. So from which location are you, you have to choose from there itself. Okay, and you have to enter the captcha here, and click on submit. So I forgot to give my title, and then click on gender itself and then click on submit. So after giving these prior details, then I have got a pop-up to check my mail id and my mobile number. Once checking is done, click on confirm, and here is your dt number. You will be getting your dt number. So this is the dt number for all your further TCS applications. It will be useful, this reference id we can say, or a dt number, whatever it might be. So once you have your reference id number, then using this you can apply for any job related to TCS. Okay, so next you will be clicking on continue, and here again it will be asking a captcha, and click on next. So again it will be sending OTP. So once you click the OTP here, once you enter the OTP here, click on login. Okay, so this is the portal, and there are 4 steps. One is application form. So this is what about application form. You will be giving your personal details, academic and work experience details, other details, and application form preview and declaration. So these are 4 steps that you have to mandatory to apply for this TCS BPS. Not only TCS BPS, for IT category or BPS category, application form will be same. So track my application also we have discussed, right? Like track my application, it will show you the activity. So once the status is registered, now the status is registered, it should show like applied for drive. Okay, so like this. So for tracking, once it showed as applied for drive, then it is confirmed that your registration is completely done. Okay, so if you want to go through the steps, have to apply and all, these are the prerequisites that they have mentioned. So once you can go through this, how to apply, what all the steps they have given. So once you completed your registration process by getting your reference ID, then you can fill your application form. Okay, so in this you will click on application form, and then you will be redirecting to the application form. In this application form you will be having four categories: personal details, academic and work experience details, other details, application form preview, and declaration. So these four steps you should complete. At the beginning they have provided you some instructions, so what all the sections you have to complete. So field marked with star are necessary, so mandatory, you have to mandatorily fill those blanks. And to save the details and navigate to the next field, click save and continue. So you will be having two options, save and continue. Two options will be given, I will be showing you that. So you have to click on save and continue. Okay, to submit the form, click submit application form in form preview and declaration section. So in this section you will be given this option submit application. Okay, that also I will be showing you. So coming to personal details, so in personal details you will be giving your TCS nearest office and your personal details, permanent address also, present address and contact details, and then you will be clicking on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, then you will be redirected to the next section, which is academic and work experience details. In this also they have first mentioned some instructions. Okay, so after reading those instructions you can continue your uh, register application form filling process. So in this academic instructions they have provided that CGPA marks or CGPA obtained denotes the total marks or CGPA secured by you in all the subjects in your semesters. Okay, and then total marks, CGPA denotes total of maximum marks in all the subjects in all your semesters in the first attempt. And you have to verify your marks once you have entered in that particular block that they have given, and you have to mention your 12th duration and 12th grade details also. Okay, so first highest qualification category details we can see they have mentioned the institution name, highest qualification of yours, and your year of passing also. And after that you will be clicking on save and continue, and then go to graduate. In graduate also you will be giving you will be filling all your details here also, and then you click on save and continue, and then you will be going to next 12th grade. So for 12th grade and equivalent diploma you will be giving 12th grade means your inter second year, and diploma and both. So based on your choosing the options will be given. If you have completed your 12th grade, then you have to fill this these sections, you have to, these fields you have to complete. And if you have completed diploma, then you have to fill these fields. If you have completed both, then you have to choose this option. Okay, and then click on save and continue. So this pop-up is nothing but, as I am not giving any details, it is asking that either I want to fill my details and then continue, or I want to continue now itself. So as it's asking, are you sure you want to continue and fill in details later? So if I want to fill my details later, so that is the reason why it is asking yes or no. So if I click on yes, then I can fill my details later also. If no, then means I have to fill now itself. Okay, so that is the reason for that pop-up. Next, coming to any other qualifications you have done any certification courses in anything, then you can click on yes and mention them. If no, you can choose no also. Next, work experience details also. If you have any internships, or you have done any previous irrelevant work experience, then also you can mention them, and then you can fill this declaration form that they have given. So once you have completed this, then you will be redirected to other details. So in other details, you will be asking about nationality and language known, achievements, scholarships and certifications if any. And here you have to upload your photo and CV, which is resume or a CV. So anything is not an issue. So for uploading a photo, they have mentioned some instructions for that. Just go through those instructions before uploading your photo. In what dimensions also they have mentioned, format also they have mentioned. So all those make a look, and then upload your passport size photo for this. And then you are almost completed your application form. After that, you can go to application form preview and declaration. So before clicking on submit application, you can preview your form and check your details, whether you have given all the details correctly or not, perfectly or not. So once you have gone through your application, then you can click on submit application form, then your application form will be submitted directly. So this is the whole process of registering for TCS next step. So for any exam TCS is conducting, then this is the common application process, we can say. Okay, so make sure, I'm repeating again, if you are interested or give an attempt, or interested in giving an attempt for this exam, then apply as soon as possible, because as they have that also they have mentioned that allotment of seats might be delayed, and it will be preferred and given the preference based on first come and first serve. So keep that in mind, and then start your application process as soon as possible. So if there are any queries, then you feel free to ask me in the comment section. So for further more information and notifications, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. If there are any queries, let me know in the comment section without fail. Thank you.